Go, you're good. So we just got off the freeway and we're meeting Tom in Chinatown. And if you want to see this view, this night view of the city, this is Seattle. Maybe I should roll my window down. The tint's kind of dark. Yup, there's the city. And closing the window because it is cold. I actually recorded a Chinese vlog earlier. I'm trying to balance out the Chinese versus English vlog kind of balance. And I believe it should be pretty balanced out now. Oh, almost stalled right there. I don't know, everyone keeps telling me that the driving POV of me holding this is kind of weird. Obviously I'm gonna get a GoPro, but you know, it's all just money. If I had a GoPro, obviously this would be way easier, but make can do. Make can do. So I saw Mr. Tom roll by. Sent him to the wrong address, I guess. So we're out here. This is the Tom that we were meeting up with. Not the other Tom. This is GT3 Tom. I guess that's what we'll call you in the vlog series. Alright. But yeah, this is what we're up to. Late night drives, and then we're out here shooting his car. Swapped some lenses, so I'm using his Sigma Art 1835 1.8, but it is a crop sensor lens, so it still works at 35, but just some vignetting. But similarity between the two cars: high revving NA and manual.
They're Spirit Brothers. Only two cars ever made production with 6 speeds and 9,000 RPM.
Well, mine technically doesn't. Mine technically doesn't have 9,000 RPM.
950?
Yep.
Pretty close.
Well, no, it's what is it? It's AP2.
Oh, yours
remember?
is AP2?
Yeah, my old one was AP1.
Okay. Well, we'll pretend.
We'll pretend. I mean, if I get a tune on it, I could probably make it 9. But yeah. For the meantime, we'll pretend it's AP1.
Okay.
So right now we're figuring out how to get onto the viaduct, but we're gonna head towards the Space Needle first, and you guys will see. So originally I was planning to go 99 north and then 99 south, but then the 99 north ramp was closed where I usually get on, and then so we're driving through downtown right now, and then you can probably see the Space Needle ahead of us. So this is gonna be my short goodbye to the viaduct video. So there you can see the Ferris wheel, and then where we're going right now is underneath 99. So all the memories growing up with the viaduct, and driving my favorite car with my favorite view, and this is something that we'll never get to experience ever again. And having Tom behind me filming is also pretty cool. Farewell, viaduct. It's nice growing up with you, nice knowing you, and I guess you know, we can enjoy the future view of the waterfront without the viaduct now. And it's good and it's bad, but that's how life goes. Things change and you just gotta adapt to it. Go, you're good. So I just went on that cruise, short goodbye to the viaduct. Now we're here in Soto area at the KFC. It's kind of dark out here, but just a short vlog today for, you know, saying goodbye to the viaduct. It's like my dream car. I swear to God, this guy's like me in like however many years. So we're here again.
A lot of things happened before it came through. But I'm happy.
Finishing up the vlog. All the shit on your passenger seat.
Oh, there we go.
Ooh, I didn't notice the door sills.
Yep.
And then the important part, 6-speed manual. Or 7-speed manual, right?
6.
No, 6? Oh, okay.
6, yeah.
So it's not the same as a regular 991 manual.
Nope. 6 is enough.
Front lift button, exhaust valves, rear wing, and then these 2 buttons are very important.
Traction, yep. Suspension, and then sport mode, which just does the rev matching. A little much.
I do that corner every single time.
You have to.
Yep.
It's asking for it.
Oh yeah. And then it's just pulling right there. Oh. What kind of RS? You just pull into the service center. Oh, that's a nice.
Make all kind of noise.
Hi, Mr. Clearing.
I'm sorry.
Hey, I'm Tom. I'm Matt. Okay.
Really cool. The blue ends here, and then like matched carbon back, and then he has a dun-dun muffler as well. Proper 6-speed with 3 pedals. So another black 3RS, and then there's one of the wraps. Hi, John. So John's gonna be a very special guest in the vlog very, very soon, and you guys will find out about that later. And we're here with at the Porsche dealership with Tom. Introduce him to Matt over there.
Actually come back to get the airbag light cleared. Okay. Yeah, I have it still, yeah, for sure. All right.
Up front, it's the ambulance.
They say the lights are slow in Atlanta and Georgia, but I think they're real slow around here too.
Yeah, there are some lights that just don't change.
Around here, isn't there?
I don't know. So he has a book, a guest book for his car.
Every single person that's been in it.
A dog's...
Dog has signed it. 3-year-old signed it. We've got all kind of languages in here. All kind of stories.
Oh my god, you need a...
All kind of pictures. And all kind of cool people who've been in here, so...
Am I supposed to say something, or do you just want to sign
just
it?
whatever you want.
Where do you want me to sign it?
Either at the bottom or the next page.
I can sign it at the bottom. Oh god. Now you're gonna have my signature.
That's right.
Oh, let me see.
I told you I'm gonna need that when you're famous.
Oh my god, I'm just gonna sign my name. Do you want me to give you a heart? I'll give you a heart. A very ugly heart. It's a very ugly heart, but I signed the guest book.
Alright, thank you.
You should definitely start a YouTube channel. This is hilarious.
Wait, I'm gonna write it just cause I can't perfectly read it.
Oh. Because I have a shitty handwriting. I have a shitty signature.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Alright, man. Are you gonna head over to... Are you going to chat with those boys? I don't know.
I'll hit up that Cantrell real quick because I think they close at 5, but maybe they'll still be there.
Oh, we'll see.
So, yeah.
Alright, I will catch you tomorrow. Oh, yeah, we're shooting tomorrow.
Yeah, let me know if you want to grab a bite.